Welcome back to our channel.
I'm Safi.
And I'm Nasra. Today we're going to be talking about microevolution.
How exciting is that?
It's microevolution.
So, what is microevolution?
I'm glad you asked because I have an answer. Microevolution is the change in allele frequency that occurs over time in a population.
Interesting. So, what is an allele? Am I pronouncing that right?
Yeah.
Allele?
Not allele, it's allele.
Allele.
Yes.
Well,
I knew you were going to ask. So what is an allele, you may ask? An allele is a variation or a diversity of genes. So allele frequency, also known as gene frequency, is how common certain variations are.
Interesting. So, how many components are there in microevolution? Are there like what, 3 or 4?
4.
Oh. So, what are the 4 components?
So the 4 components are mutation.
Natural selection.
Oh, so you know.
Yeah.
You just
think
asked.
so. I was
Gene flow.
and genetic drift.
So mutation. What is mutation, you might be asking? A mutation is a permanent alteration of genes. Many of you are familiar with the term because of the Nickelodeon cartoon Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, where we had 4 normal turtles. They stepped into some goo that altered or mutated their genes and turned them into human turtle creatures that saved the day using karate, whilst being instructed by a rat sensei.
Yeah.
Mutation! So what's selection?
So, natural selection, on the other hand, is the differential survival and reproduction of individuals due to the differences of phenotype. So,
What's a phenotype?
yeah. Phenotype is a set of observable characteristics of an individual from the interaction of its genotype. So, what is a genotype? Well, let me actually explain the difference between a phenotype and a genotype. So, a phenotype are the characteristics of an individual that are visible, and genotypes are the characteristics of an individual that are not visible. So, to better understand the difference between the two, let's give an example. So, let's say her mom has blue eyes and her dad has green eyes, but she was born with brown eyes.
Yeah.
In this case, she has a genotype because her dad has green eyes and her mom has blue eyes, but she was born with brown eyes. She didn't get none of her parents' characteristics, but because the parents carried the gene from their parents or great-grandparents or from whichever family member they get it from, she has the brown eye gene. And there you have it.
Or I'm adopted. That could be a possibility.
Maybe.
But yeah, I feel it.
Yeah.
So now we're going to talk about gene flow or gene migration, as some people in Canada refer to it as. Not all scientists are to the American standards. But a gene flow is an introduction of genetic material from one species to another through interbreeding. So we have one group over here. They meet another group, right? 2 of them get together, make a baby. And we have an introduction of new genetic material, a new set of variations, and boom, gene flow. The gene is flowing.
So, what is genetic drift? So,
Genetic
according to my research, genetic drift is...
You don't sound very according to a very credible source.
Right. So, Khan's Academy. I think we all know.
Khan Academy.
Well, Khan's Academy. Let me say how I want to say it.
Okay.
Alright. So, Khan's Academy. Definition to genetic drift is a mechanism of evolution in which allele frequencies of population change over generation due to chance. How interesting is that? What do you
lucky,
get?
You win some, you lose some. Solid probability.
So,
That's that on microevolution.
how awesome was that?
It's pretty great.
I guess so.
Okay.
Oh gosh.
If you like this video and would like to see more like it, be sure to comment,
Like.
and subscribe. Till next time, bye.